Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2695th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. This video coming at you on a Thursday night for trading Thursday night through Friday, and that would be Jan 19th, 2024. Traders, I would like to get in front of the camera and do a nice comprehensive video for you, but a couple of things going on. The Omni flipped, and I've got to get that video right out to you because now we have a green Omni, and it was red for yesterday. Speaking of the red Omni, boy, did we take losses on Thursday. We had a good week, but Thursday we got punched in the face because we were short E-mini S&P and NASDAQ, and it was absolutely wrong. So we did well on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, took a loss on Thursday, and expect to kick these markets' butts on Friday. But let me show you what's going on. Remember, this is a very risky game. We lost money Thursday, right? It happens. Very risky game. Make sure you put your stops in and put them in first. You are looking at the NASDAQ weekly bar chart. So each one of these lines right here or bars represents a full week's worth of trading. And this chart we've used many times, and what you really have in this chart, let me just grab a little tool so I can move it around. What we've got in this chart is a massive double top, right? You ran up, put in a top, down, worked its way all the way down, made its way back up, and ba-bam, put in a double top. Since the double top was hit, there's been a reaction back down. And here's your double top reaction. Well, since then, it's starting to work its way right back up. And if you ask me, it looks like the NASDAQ wants to take out the double top with a green Omni for trading on Friday. So I have to show you more charts, but so far so good. Make sure you subscribe to these videos. Subscribe right now. And then be sure to join me at livewithoscar.com. Now let's go take a look, because we're looking at NASDAQ, but there's more. All right, so now we're looking at the E-mini S&P. Same thing, double top is there on the weekly. We had our downward reaction, but now we're starting to work our way back towards the top of that double top. So in other words, the double top reaction has taken place. We're still hovering near the double top, and the Omni has gone green. So for day trading, E-mini S&P on the day traders chart now, we've got a green Omni, and we like what we see here, kids. Green Omni for trading E-mini S&P and NASDAQ for trading on Friday. We had the double top. Now, I showed you that on the weekly. It's the very same chart, but this time it's a daily bar. So each one of these now represents a full day's trading, not a week's worth of trading. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right, so we ran up, put a top in, came down, hit the second top, and had the double top reaction, which made us fall out of the channel. Scary. But that was only for one day, because by Thursday's close, back in the channel, back in the saddle, and we've got a green Omni, so rock and roll for trading on Friday. We are going to get long if we can, E-mini S&P and or NASDAQ. Now, traders, remember I brought you Pan W last week? Over the past 2 weeks, I've been showing you Pan W, Palo Alto, and it was a great stock. Well, here's another gift from Oscar. Check this out. Chipotle CMG, a gift to my Omniacs. What is it? Simple. The 11 bar simple moving average is in vogue, and Wall Street is loving it on Chipotle. Look, Chipotle is just going crazy on the upside, and Wall Street's going crazy whenever you get near the 11 bar moving average. That became in vogue right here around March. And for whatever reason, they just latched on to the 11 bar moving average. Let's tune it up. Let's tune it up for us now. Nice and thick, and you'll see exactly what I am trying to show you here. Look, the illustration is that right about here, when we see this ellipse, for whatever reason, the street Chipotle and the 11 bar moving average got together, and it has been working like dynamite since, just perfectly. For the trading turns, And guess what? We just hit it on Wednesday. Rallied up from it. Thursday rally. I say we take the trade on Friday and look for more upside in Chipotle. I hope this helps. My gift to my Omniacs. Make sure you take a look at the 11-bar moving average on a daily CMG chart. Chipotle, if you will. And you will see that this is a gift. Make sure you use it. I hope it helps. And I want you to come join me at livewithoscar.com and tell me how you've done using the 11-bar moving average on Chipotle. Now, I asked a bunch of you a question in the last video, and that question was what to do with double tops. If we see a double top, what do we do? And I will say 290 of you replied. Thank you so much. Not one of you got it wrong. Very good, kids. So the next time I stand in front of the camera, I'll come out with another series of questions, and we'll see how you Omniacs are paying attention to that. So thank you for tuning in. Good luck trading. Buying dips in E-mini, S&P, and NASDAQ. Russell as well if we can get a fill. And check out Chipotle. I think that is a gift to you. Thanks for tuning in, traders. And remember, keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? Say this to ourselves over and over again. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.